If you don't have strong arms, how do you expect to punch the day in the face, the day, the month, the year? How do you expect to success in your life if you don't have strong arms? If you don't work in a full range of motion, you get half results. I know you got to get it. Let's get it, let's get it. Gotta love the life we live in. Let's get it, let's get it. I know you got to feel it. Let's get it, let's get it. Gotta love the life that we live in. You don't cut corners here. You work. You don't play. You never complete your work. You play. You work. You work. When you play, you play. You here, you don't play. So first exercise is body weight push-ups, close grip for warm-up failure. When it's body weight, it's failure. And then we're going to superset it with drop set, barbell bicep curls. Great exercise. We start with mass for triceps and biceps. So let's start. Make drop set. I will start with 40 kilos and then I drop the weight. I have my weights close to me, so it will be a drop set. I will take the weight out, I put less, I do more. So we'll do 10 with this and 15 with the 30 kilos. So the principle for today is we'll start with tricep, one exercise of tricep, and drop set on the bicep, superset. The second exercise will be bicep first, tricep, drop set second. So that's a principle. We shock the system, faster results. 50 reps. First exercise is row bicep curls. One of the things that I like with the row bicep curls, I can change the position of my elbows, targets, both heads of the bicep. This is a challenge set, meaning randomly I will choose a weight for 50 reps. Every 10 reps I will change the weight. Superset with overhead, tricep, row. So you can choose elbows from here, and every 10 reps, you change the weight. What do I mean by challenge set? You challenge your muscle every 10 reps to force to adapt to a new weight. That's what I mean by challenge sets. It's the best place you can come and train, do your gym, because here you don't know it. Come and see. So challenge set on a rope put down. What I mean by challenge set, you put your tricep on a challenge exercise. You randomly pick the weight up or down and you do 50 reps. Every 10 reps you change the weight. The benefit of the rope have the advantage to get a full range of motion. You stretch all the way down with the rope. So that's a workout for today, arms day. Again, at some point in your life, you need to graduate. You cannot be a student all the time. You need to be a teacher at some point so you can educate others. So hope you like the workout.